Can you pick it up?
Yeah.
Almost. Pick it up.
It's too big.
It's too big? You want help? You're sitting on it now. Can you say Happy 4th of July?
Say Happy Birthday, America.
You say Happy Birthday, America. Where's that melon?
Yeah.
There it is. Here, see if you, Mommy, see if you can help her pick it up.
Here.
You're sitting on it like it's a big egg.
Come on, you want to pick it up?
Yeah.
Ready? Help Mommy pick it up. Go show Daddy. All right, go show Daddy.
Whoa. Let me see. Good girl. You got it. Say Happy Birthday, America.
Oh, she's going to dump it in your lap.
Ooh, thank you. Thank you.
All right, Mommy's going to cut it up and we can eat it.
You want to hold it up like a Stanley Cup?
My turn.
Your turn?
I don't think so. Here. Here's your cheese stick back.
Kisses, please.
Give Bill Daddy a kiss.
I love you.